Hi, what's going on? Welcome to Driver Installer, and in this video, I will show you how to upload photos or any story with music to Instagram. To do this, you just need to follow the instructions in this video, and of course have the Instagram app installed. This video works for iPhone or any other iOS device, and also works on Android. If you want to know more tricks about your favorite social networks, leave me a like and subscribe to this channel. The first thing you are going to do is verify that you have Instagram updated to the latest version. This is very important because Instagram usually changes many options between updates. If you have an iOS device, go to the App Store. Type Instagram. And if you have an update, install it. On an Android device, go to the Play Store. Type Instagram. And if you have an update, then install it. Now you are going to open Instagram. Tap on this button and choose Story. Here you are going to select the photo to which you want to add music, or you can also tap on this box and take a new photo. In my case, I will use a photo that I already have saved. In this section, to add music, tap on the stickers icon. And then in this menu, tap on the music sticker. You can choose to use one of the popular songs that appear on this screen, or you can search for a specific song using the search bar. If you tap on this icon, you will be able to preview the song before using it. Once selected, you can move this bar to move between the different sections of the song, and thus select a part that is to your liking. With this button, you can select the maximum duration that the music will have. You have to choose between a minimum of 5 seconds and a maximum of 15 seconds. You have several options to choose from. For example, you can choose the font, and if you don't want the lyrics to be displayed, you can use one of the last two options. With this icon, you can change the color of the lyrics or the background, depending on which option you have chosen. When you're done, you're going to tap Done. Now you can change the position of the lyrics or the poster by dragging it on the screen. Now you can add any type of effect you want to use on the photo. When you're done, tap on this icon. And then on Share, and that's it. If you want to continue learning, watch this video, and don't forget to subscribe.